Hello everybody. You know that you are being offered a new semester system altogether. Your exams only class 10s and class 12s. Remember, it is not for class 9 and class 11. So only for classes 10 and 12. Do follow the video. You will be able to know in detail how the semester system is formed. In my previous video, which the link you'll find in the over here on top, you can follow that. There you will know all the chapters which will come for class 10 and for class 12. That is already given. But now all those chapters have also been divided into two parts. First part, we will have a complete exam and finish it off, and then we will move on to the next part in the next semester. Okay, 1 year but two exams from the council. Okay, so what are the topics that we are going to start revising for the first sem, and what will be the topics in the second sem, both for ICSE and ISC. In this video, you will get in detail. I'll open the PDF that has come from the council itself. You will read the lines. I will be reading the lines to you and explain you whatever is written over there. How the questions are going to come, what you will have to prepare for the exam, for the next exam in November. So let us start without any ado.
So here you have your English bifurcated syllabus as per the reduced syllabus for ICSE class 10 year 2022 UC examination for the year 2022. Okay, so now over I have already told you about the topics, about the few topics on which you'll be tested this year. So that portion also will be divided now into two parts, semester 1 and semester 2. Okay, marks will be 40 and 40. All right, now this will be divided into 40 and 40 marks, total of 80. Now comes what are the portions that will be covered in semester 1. You'll have your comprehension, you'll have your grammar part. Okay, you'll have your grammar and comprehension in semester 1. In semester 2 again you will not have the grammar or comprehension, you will just have the writing part, that is composition, letter, notice, email, this you will have. Okay, for class 10, this is not for class 9, I am repeating, this is just for class 10. You will have comprehension and grammar in semester 1 till the first part, and in the second part no comprehension, no grammar, just composition, letter, notice and email. Alright, next coming to the next part, which is this is your language part, isn't it? This is the language portion that we have done. Next we will have the literature part. In literature you see already I discussed the 3, 4, 5, you will have just these 3 acts, Act 3, Act 4 and Act 5. So among these 3 you will have only Act 3 all scenes in semester 1, okay, from Merchant of Venice. Again in semester 2 you will not have anything of Act 3, none of the scenes, you will just have questions from scene 1 and scene 2, Act 4 and Act 5, alright. Coming to treasure trove. Treasure trove you will see you have I Know by the Caged Bird Sings and The Patriot, nothing else. Okay, from poems. And over here you will have just Abu Ben Adam and 9 gold medals. So I have already provided you I Know by the Caged Bird Sings and Patriot. You will study from there. I have already provided you the Little Match Girl and the Blue Bead, isn't it? I think I have provided you the Little Match Girl. Blue bead, yes, blue bead also have provided, so you can see it from there. You can practice all the questions from there. And over here again for the second semester you will have just My Greatest Olympic Prize, which is extremely easy, and All Summer in a Day, which I will be providing it maybe by this week. Okay, so that's all for the two divisions, you have understood. So we have Act 3 and I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings and Patriot, Little Match Girl and Blue Bead in semester 1, and Act 4, Act 5, Abu Ben Adam, 9 gold medals, My Greatest Olympic Prize and All Summer in a Day in semester 2. Okay, so this is your class 10 literature and language division, semester 1 and semester 2. Now comes the circular that we will also discuss. The circular is common for both class 10s and class 12s. Okay, you can see the council, this is directly what has come from the council. You see the mark over here, you will know for sure, and this is just for your awareness that this is directly coming from the council. Okay, see, it is August 6, 2021. Dear Principal, subject CISC's modified plan for assessment at the ICSE and ISC levels for the academic year 2021 and 22. I guess all of you have got this by now from your schools. You just need to know what is written over here, what it means. In view of the continuing pandemic situation in the country and the disruption in educational activities brought about due to extended lockdowns and the various alternate modes of syllabus transaction that need to be adapted due to closure of schools, the CISE had carried out an extensive exercise of syllabus review. So we have reviewed, the board has reviewed the syllabus and they have tried to do what? To reduce the syllabus for our benefit. As a part of this exercise, syllabi for various subjects at the ICC and IC levels, specifically for class 10 and 12. You see, it is written specifically for 10 and 12. It is not for classes 11 or classes 9. For the examination year 2022 were examined by subject experts to identify portions which may be reduced without compromising on the quality of content. So we are not going to cut short those topics which are extremely important, only those topics which are which are not that important this year, they have been removed, and then it has been divided into two parts. Alright, now coming to the next part, in addition to the reduction of syllabus, the CISE will follow a different method of conducting examinations for the academic year 2021 to 22. The details of this modified assessment plan, so you already know how your examinations, what are the topics that will be taken care of in semester 1 and in semester 2. That part we already know by now, I have already discussed, and now we are coming to know the assessment plan, how we are going to assess, how the exam is going to be taken. So you see, the academic session 2021 to 22 will be divided into two semesters with approximately 50% of syllabus. I showed you 50% will be there in each. Reduced syllabus for ICSE and ISC for the examination year 2022 has accordingly been bifurcated, units, subunits to be covered in each semester specified clearly. You do not have to prepare whatever is there in semester 2 for semester 1. You can prepare just semester 1 for the first term and then go to the next. Semester wise bifurcated theory syllabus for class 10 and 12 is available. So I have already shown you this one. CISE will conduct examinations at the end of each semester. You see, after each semester the CISE will conduct examination. This will be the board examination from the council itself, not your school. So twice. In 10 you will have two exams, in class 12 you will have two exams this year 2022. First semester examination, the first semester examination will be conducted in November 2021. You see, November 2021 this will be held and will be based on only on the portion of the syllabus. Told you, first semester whatever topic I have told you, write it down somewhere so that you remember and you can prepare for which month exam? November. This will be an MCQ based examination, another very important point, MCQ based examination. You see, MCQ, that means multiple choice questions. Don't think that these multiple choice questions will be very easy, because you see, it is not that you'll be asked to write the name of, maybe for class 10 it is not that you'll be asked to write what is the name of this author or the author of this story. It will not be like that. It will be difficult. You'll see CBSE also holds exam like this, where there are multiple choice questions and the options are very close to each other. It is difficult to identify which one is the best one. All of the answers are correct sometimes. You have to identify the better of the four. Okay, there will be four options, you'll have to select one and you have to identify the better one of the four. Okay, so this will become difficult, so we need to prepare very thoroughly, we need to read the text very thoroughly. It is not that previously I told you na, only prepare this long question from to build a fire, just prepare this question of the dog and man conflict and it will be okay for you. For if I told you, okay, Fritz, you just prepare the theme of friendship, theme of how the given another ending to the story, and that would help you. But over here that will not help you any longer. Now we will have MCQ based questions, and remember I will also set certain questions over here so that you can prepare for both 10 and 12. Now coming to the next page, second semester examination. The second semester will be conducted in March, April 2022 and will be based only on the portion of the second semester. Okay, this is as usual. This examination will conducted in online or offline mode depending upon the pandemic situation. Even if now this you have to understand, even if this is the pandemic situation betters, okay, even if all these problems we are okay and we come out of all these problems, even then we will hold the same semester system this year. Okay, so it is better that you divide the syllabus, start preparing for your November exam now. Afterwards, after the November semester is over, then you prepare for the next one, the March April one. Next, the question papers for each semester will be out of 80 or 100 marks for ICSE and 70 to 80 marks for ISC, as per the maximum marks currently allocated for the theory component of the subjects. Whatever might be the mark, if it is 70 marks paper, then 70, if it is 80, then 80, if it is 80, then 80, or 100, so it is 100. This will not change. However, the weightage of marks for each of the semesters to be finally used for the computation of the board results would be brought down to half. So, same marks will be, you will have the test on 80 or 100, but that will be calculated and the average mark, the weightage of the mark will be brought down to 40, and then both the semesters, maybe in 80 you get maybe 60, it will be the 80 marks, total 80 marks paper will be brought down to 40, and there maybe you score around 25, then 25 marks from here, and in the next semester you get another maybe 30 or 40, then again that will be taken and both will be added to finally add up as an 80 mark paper. Okay, so this is the system. In addition to the examination conducted at the end of each semester, during the academic year, candidates will also be assessed on practical project work. So, this is also not going to be cancelled, your practical and project work. If the situation permits, the ISC practicals will be conducted as per option 1. Option 1, in case the situation is not conducive due to the pandemic and candidates are unable to come to their respective schools to take the practical examination. Option 2, online or virtual mode will be exercised. So, you see, in case the situation does not better, then we will still continue to conduct the virtual mode of examination. Similarly, in addition to the semester examination conducted by CISE during academic year, candidates will be assessed on internal assessment at the ICSE levels. Mark weightage of the same remains unchanged. So, marks weightage will remain unchanged, but internal assessments will also be held and that marks will also be used to assess your performance. Uploading of marks for practical project work, internal assessment. Now, this schools will be required to ensure that all candidates finish. Now, this depends on the school. So, your practical works need to be submitted in right time so that the internal examiners may also come to evaluate and that mark will also be added. So, practical work and everything we also have to be careful about. Okay. Schools must maintain a record. This is for schools classes 9 and 11. You see there is no change written in bold in syllabus for class 9 and 11. For ICSE class 9 and ISC class 11, schools are required to follow the ICSE and ISC regulations and syllabus for the year 2023 respectively as available on the CISC website. As it is available in the website, you can check that also, class 11 and class 9. You will have to follow it from there and you do not have to follow whatever is given over here. This is just for class 10 and class 12. You are requested to ensure that all concerned, including the candidates and teachers, are apprised of the above mentioned changes. Okay, so that's all for this part, and I hope I have made myself clear and you will be able to understand now this very clearly, how your exam will be, what are the questions, what are the format of the questions, and what are the topics that you need to prepare when your exam will be held. All these queries will be sorted out. Okay, so that's all. Bye bye everybody.